kissing a lot of frogs, and going through that process, so that a couple of times a year we have something that we feel really good about. Back to that thing about, hey, we have to deliver for this investor commitment. Otherwise, we don't need to be in the business of raising capital. I talked to a guy yesterday who's a former oil and gas guy, and he said he's in another business now, and he said oil and gas is you sell the dream of the well and the big pop and the huge amount of money that you could make, and then you talk about the dry well, because that's pretty much what happened. And he said he just, after a while, just couldn't take it. Couldn't take people on that ride of selling them the dream that, hey, we might go 10x. Your 100K might turn into $1 million. And then a month later, well, we got a dry well. You're going to lose all your money. That stuff has just got to be brutal. So I don't want to be in that position. We want to be in a position of a safe, predictable return backed by real estate. We're not going to 10x money, but we're going to do a lot better than a lot of other investment options that people have. And your risk is not going to be like it would be with, say, oil and gas. So that is that's kind of the life cycle of an investment, and we want to be able to find stuff a couple of times a year when we're exiting projects that folks can come back and invest with us in.
Love how you walked us through not just the onboarding process, but the whole aspect of it. And just to piggyback off your gifts that you send to onboarding, in a recent project that we had, I personally wrote thank you notes for our investors that invested in the recent project. So I understand